So I got nothing, I guess.
It's got to be tomorrow
It's got
then.
to be tomorrow then, man. All right. Well, I didn't because I had to go to the mechanic today. I guess it's still a mechanic. They didn't really do any mechanical. Well, you know what? I'll just either way. I had to go to the mechanic today, so I lost like some time. So I didn't do my homework on the finding some background music for the menu. So I'm not gonna work on background music stuff. I'm gonna work on like little icons that pop up like Mayday and warning and stuff like that. Yeah, sounds good.
Mayday.
Are you gonna be doing anything
I'll be coming around the mountain.
that
I'm
I should
coming.
share?
Yeah, I'll hop on the Photoshop and
All right, so I'll start on this stuff.
pour myself a cup of tea. Be right back.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea. That's not my cup of tea.
So I'm guessing I'll have some kind of prefab that can get instantiated at runtime. I mean, it really just has to exist somewhere in the world. I guess multiple ships could have it at the same
Multiple
time.
ships.
So, bullets. Jeez, there's so many prefabs here.
Different ships, different chicks.
Could be.
Everyone gets a ship. You get a ship.
Sounds, resources.
And they're like cheap, 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 cheap.
Get them while they're cheap.
Because they're chicken. Nobody calls me this late at night.
Resources. Font material test. Game over menu controller. Guess I didn't do anything with that. Should probably put all these fonts in a folder somewhere. Okay. Guess that's somehow there. Whoops. Where the hell did it go? Oh. Flashing symbols. I don't know what to. Let's create something first. Mayday. Is that how you spell that? Or is it just M-A? How do you spell Mayday, dude?
Oh,
M-A-Y-D-A-Y?
what? Mayday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
Mayday is actually kind of an interesting kind of pseudo holiday here. It commemorates a certain.
In Seattle?
Yeah. It actually, I think it's riot based, if I'm not mistaken.
So this is going to be like flashing sprite. So this is going to be different from. I think I have another script called sprite flash. Sprite flicker. Right, so this is going to be more like sprite flashing.
Alright, I'm sharing, you're not sharing.
Sharing. Always sharing.
Yes. His problem, is it? Is it? Taint.
Oh wait, I forgot I
Taint a
made this
problem.
window really huge. Oh, could I do properties or whatever? Just go there. No? Set it to that and set it back to that. No? Apparently I can't get that window. It's right here. Let's do that and then do that.
This and that,
What?
this and this and that, this.
Oh wait, is Discord doing a weird thing again where I can't access the window? Oh man, it's broken again.
You can't do pop-ups again?
Yeah.
That
I can
blows.
see it actually when I alt tab. I can see it. But I can't, like, it can't actually be a window. Ugh, man, it's so annoying. Alright, Discord.
Win this time.
I guess I could try to restart Discord. Hold on a second. Alright, pop out.
Oh, what's that?
Still nothing. Oh well. I guess I can kind of full screen it. And then I can play around with like the cropping or something. Let's see. There we go. That's pretty close. That's a little big though. There we go. Okay. Where was I? Sprite flashing. Alright, so I'm gonna give it the sprite flashing. Which doesn't show up because this thing is broken. Okay. So this is gonna have, well, what does sprite flicker do? Can I just use that? Oh no, there's no, okay. So this one's actually modifiable. So it's gonna have an on time and off time. Okay. Sprite render, sprite render.
No, you're not streaming again.
Oh, right, because I ended the damn call. So let me go ahead and do that. On time, on timer, off time, off timer. And I'll just default those to 1. On, true, and sprite render. Okay, so if on timer, on time, on equals false, sprite render that enables. Oh, I don't need the on variable. Sprite render that enables. It's false. Oh, on timer equals 0. Yes. Same thing. On timer time. And this is off timer. Off. Off. Okay. Oh, and then true. And that should be it. I could do something like we'll start off false. And maybe this isn't a sprite renderer. Although that does make sense. Let's look at an object. And this isn't really sprite flashing, is it? Flashing object. Transform, find, flash. Flashing object gets active self. Flashing object gets set active false. True. Okay. Just deactivate the entire object. If flash object exists, debug log error. Name object name. Something like that. Oh, hey man. Frozen well? Doing alright? How are you? What kind of game did you say you were going to make again? ZX Spectrum? Same here, man. Have you started on that yet? It sounds like a pretty interesting project. Have you done anything with that before? This is going to be some kind of sprite. Well, just game text. Five short streams. It's coming together. I don't think I get notified of that. Pretty sure. Oh yeah, it does say. Yeah, I'm looking at it right here. 3 new videos. For some reason, I don't know. Maybe I did. I don't know. I feel like I haven't gotten those notifications. Ah, I never had one, but my brother is actually really into Commodores. Has a ton of them. Similar era, I think. Amiga. Man, the oldest thing I can remember having is the NES. What font size should this be? Where is that defined anyway? I don't have that here. Shouldn't there... Does text mesh not have font size? Oh, here it is. 0, apparently. What does 0 do? So, I mean, I feel like it should be like this big, but I'll just shrink it down here. 0.1. 0.1. 05. Hey, Julio, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
What's the oldest system you remember having?
I think it was for me the Nintendo. Like I
The
remember seeing an
NES?
Atari later. Yeah,
Yeah, same here. My older brother had
I
an
remember
Atari, and I
seeing.
remember seeing it,
Uh huh.
but
But I just never played it. It just wasn't my like. I was already like captivated by the NES.
the oldest game I can absolutely remember
I
is
was like, those are babies' games. You gotta use your hands. Oh, go ahead. Sorry.
the oldest actual game I can vividly remember is Punch Out.
Yeah, that game pissed me off. So did Zelda also, because like Legend of Zelda I didn't beat for a long time. Like I beat I think Link to the Past before I beat the original. So
Oh, yeah. All right, let's get this thing going here. So I'm gonna load this up from from a resources folder. Frozen well. You never do Unity, do you? You do well, I want to say construct, but I'm thinking of the other one. Yeah, it'll be PC based. To start. Resources, let's see. Godot? Is it Godot or construct? I get those two like confused in my head sometimes. Let's see. Oh, okay, both. Alright, so throw that in there and rename this to. Oh, see, I touched Unreal a couple of times, never really delved into anything outside of a basic project. So this is just a passion project. Have to rename that. Hope it didn't break anything. Alright, so if this should be relatively simple. Let me get rid of that. Well, if I just play the game, I'll be able to see it. Supposedly is there. Oh, right, but because it's at Z position -20. Or some other reason why it won't actually show up. Sorting layer name? Do I have to? I guess I have to actually put that there, huh? UI. So I thought I set it to automatically do that. Oh no, I have to actually define it. Oops. What the hell are my sorting layer names?
Gryffindor.
Foreground. I'll do foreground or UI or bullet. I'll use the bullet layer for this guy. So bullet, but in front of everything. So like, I think like 32,000 is the biggest thing. 35,000. It's pretty much full time at this point, or as full as I can get. Oh, there it is. All right, so that's the wrong. Just put this in. So I'm gonna say it's off for 1 second and then on. No. 0.5 and on for like 0.2. .3. That's not bad. Okay. Where's ship? Ship. It's crashing. Where's start crashing? Start crashing. There it is. Okay. So I'm gonna instantiate this thing. Where's all the crashing variables? Here we go. Game object. Mayday. Object. Sure. Start crashing. Resources.load. Game object. From. I guess this is gonna be in the flashing objects. If I'm not mistaken, / Mayday. But that is how that works. And then if I'm crashing, if Mayday objects transfer position equals position plus some offset to offset equals 1. Start that off with something like 1. Can I add? No, I can't. 3. Oops. There it is. 0. That should be simple enough. As long as I'm loading it correctly, and then I just have to... nope. Doesn't look like it got instantiated. Oh wait, do I actually have to instantiate it? Not just resources dot load it? That makes sense. Maybe that makes sense. No. Looks like it didn't happen again. Oh, but now the ship is going. I guess I have to probably destroy it as soon as I'm dead as well. It's not instantiating. Let me see. Where's that? Here. Whoa. Okay. Is this anything? Apparently, yes. So I was able to actually get it. It totally exists. So if I'm here, should be setting its position. So there it is. There it is. Or no, that's the original. I don't see it actually instantiated anywhere. But I do have a reference to it. Mayday clone. Really? Where is it? Or maybe like this frame has to end or something. Yeah, yeah. Still doesn't exist. Alright, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Okay. Instantiate. Scene path, that actually has a scene path. A while actually. I keep downloading the stream archives. So it's been like 60 something streaming sessions. I started in like September. And pretty much been doing it every weekday afternoon for, I don't know, average maybe 2 hours. But a lot of the artwork was created like 9 years ago when I made this game for, or when I was making this game. I never actually made this game. I never finished it. When I was making this game for iOS, I was gonna make an awesome iOS shoot 'em up. Never happened. And I made all that artwork back then. So I didn't have to do all that again. It's pretty much just rewriting all the code for Unity and all the features and implementing them. And I've since then, I don't know, added little things here and there to make it just a little better. And if you can see, well, that actually doesn't look like anything for Super Sky Hero, but Julio's working on some art there.
I'm doing a storyboard for something real quick.
Oh, all good. It's still game dev related, so it's worth showing. Okay, so apparently this game object got instantiated. I cannot see it. And it's possible that the editor, oh no, it's updating. You can see the frames going. So where the, oh there it is, Mayday clone. So where the hell is it? The problem here is that I just can't touch Unity. Alright, I'll have to be fast. There we go. There it is. So why is it never... Should turn on eventually. Oh, there it is. Still can't see it though. Oh, because I made all those changes. Did I make all those changes after I... So what did I have this at? 0.3, 0.5. What else was it? Yeah. Bullet 50,000. The colors are correct, I think. And then the distance was just too far. So like 0.4. He's gonna play? Or am I... No? Yeah, guess not. There it is. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Not really that readable. Alright, what to do about that? Let's give it a white background, or maybe white text with a red background. That make more sense. Yeah, that should be red. Dark red. I can also probably like capitalize it. Oh, I should use a better font too. Where are my fonts? There we go. Or that one. Why are they not changing now? All right.
Okay.
Something like that. This looks like a half off thing. Sale. Oh, that didn't. What? Oh, because this also has a sorting layer of foreground and, sorry, not foreground, bullet. This will be just 32,000, 30, yeah, 31,900. That's not bad. Mayday. Now I just need an audio clip for that. Do I have any, something like I can use the error sound. Oh yeah, you're in a totally different time zone. Yeah, sure. I'll try to catch you next time. Take it easy. What do you think of this, Julio, so far?
Okay. I see code.
Give me a second. Yeah, what do you think of the code, man? Code review me.
Looks fucking nice, bro.
Alright, so I'm gonna start crashing, right?
Oh man, why didn't they have this shit?
Oh, you didn't look!
Sorry, I was just seeing like a fucking deal that I would have totally snagged up had I seen it. Shit. I'm still on my 30-day return. Okay, I'm looking. What am I looking for?
Alright, as soon as I start crashing, ready?
Nice, Mayday, Mayday.
I just want to add like a sound effect to it.
Yeah, like some kind of alarm.
So EFXR. Let's see what we can get going here. Laser. Oh, the last one's pretty good. Just do a sustain. Hey, David Winsands, how you doing, man?
To the sands. So when do I have to return this? I might upgrade my account again. No.
Oh, frequency slide. Trying to create an alarm sound. I don't know if you can hear it.
It didn't sound like that to me.
Sounds like a laser. It's kind of annoying, but it kind of works. I wonder what it would sound like with some vibration here. Let's see. Sounds like getting dizzy. Oh, that could totally work. That's alarmy sounding. All right. Yeah, I got something here. So, how do I do this here? Alerts. Just that. Oops. Mayday 1. Alright, so now that I got that in my sound effects, alerts here. So in the flashing object, I can say public audio clip sound effect for on, and then as soon as on gets set, if sound effect for on, sound effect, whoops, sound effect play, sound effect for on. Okay. Go ahead and add that. Mayday 1, and give it a shot. Totally works. Still sounds kind of lasery though. Do I still have that saved? I do not. It's a jump sound? Alright, might have to... Oh, can I import? Load from disk. Let's try that. Well, I can't use a BFXR sound. Guess that makes sense. Alright, that's fine. Forgot what I used. Oh, I can use this one. All right, so let's just add some frequency slide. Vibration. Look at that as Mayday 2. Let's try that instead. Whoop, whoop. And then I didn't even do
Oh,
that.
and I will need to make a alcohol run.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, whenever you want to, you can go ahead. If you...
Yeah, I feel like I'm almost just done with the
Man,
box art.
it's looking good, man. I mean,
Yeah, it's like
take
super.
like I said, like I'm gonna take my time to touch up the game, get it as good as I
Mm-hmm.
think it could be. So like,
Yeah.
if you want to do the same thing,
Yeah, I mean, I fear that if I add anything else, it's gonna overcomplicate things. I still
yeah,
want to blur
definitely
out the
save some
background a little bit.
states on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because it's already very busy. The way I kept it is that a lot of the crazy nonsense is happening around the robot, but like the outer edges, there's not much happening.
Correct. I feel like maybe something with the logo.
Like redo it,
If you can, that would be great because I could definitely use a high quality one
and you're
for the
just
main
talking about
menu.
like change the quality.
That would, if you could capture like the original image in higher quality, that'd be sweet. If you wanted to do something else with it, you're more than welcome, and we'll see
I'm
what
going.
happens. But if you
I'm gonna start
can
trying.
also, because that way not only would we have like the image newer and higher quality, but we could break it apart into pieces so that I could do other things with it, like the image and then the text and stuff like layer it
Okay,
in the
but
title
just
screen.
two layers, right? Like the logo, or
I
like, do you
I
want the S
think so.
separated also?
I mean, you can. I don't know, cause like it has like the wind effect, but animating it would be kind of a lot.
Yeah, it would. I could separate the center spiral, and you can just spin it.
Could be cool.
Yeah, it like honestly, if you wanted to do it like that, if you, man, the really cool way to do it would be to
What are you
have a
thinking?
shot, having a shot of the ship from that same perspective as the logo, maybe a little bit
Okay.
angled from up down, and then it's like you can show the ship flying like, kind of like like Doc Brown, right? Like he comes in flying horizontally, he flies off to the right, and then he swooshes like from your perspective off to the horizon on the ship, and as he passes that center point, it imprints like that logo, the spinning thing, and then Super Sky Hero
I
can show
mean,
up.
capturing all the different angles would basically be
Well, we
you
just need the one
redrawing
different
it.
angle. Yeah, we just need the one angle because
Oh,
the
okay.
other
We can have
angles
it
can
swooping
take up.
down at some angle, right? Or swooping across at some angle and then coming back
Yeah, exactly.
from the front into the screen.
Well, what you can do is when it's coming down, you can have him angled, and then as he's coming down diagonally, he angles again, and like if you do it just right and time it as it's coming off the edge of the screen, it looks like he's about to start a turn. So if you see him just come up from the bottom, it still makes sense.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I get it. If you, like you said, you have it kind of angled to up.
Yeah, because in the animations you have the standard side view, you have it tilted up and tilted down.
Mm-hmm.
So start it tilted up
I
and
could
end it tilted
definitely.
down,
That would be
so you
sweet. It
get
would
that
take me a little
entire
while to
roll.
sync it up, and I would want to do something with the clouds so that like the first shot wouldn't be from the same perspective as the clouds currently are coming at you. It would be like the clouds. It would almost be like a halfway top down, and the camera would like kind of follow you down and then follow you back up to that middle position.
Oh, that's right, because the particle emitter exists in 3D, so you could track with a camera. That would be cool too if you could line that up to complete the effect of
It would
like
take
your.
some work of getting getting all the numbers right,
It would
but
look super awesome though.
yeah, I agree. Because the clouds would go like one way and then the other way,
Yeah.
and then play the Back to the Future music. Ah, that's pretty good. I need like the ship exploding sound now. All right, so that is great. See, this is actually Mayday 2. Let me delete some of these guys.
It's 600 pixels.
I'm gonna start saving this BFXR thing. How many of these do I have? Oh god, 195. It's alright, getting there.
See how well we can do this. Image size 600.
I see the scroll bar getting slightly bigger, I think. No. And that's just hit sounds. Like, how many other sounds do I have? Oh, it's actually...
It went too far. Too much. Image size more dude divided two.
There. So now I got that, so I'm going to save this as... I don't know if I should save this into the actual assets folder. I'm not going to put that there. I think I have that font, by the way.
Yeah, if it's it's fine. I'm basically gonna be tracing everything, so.
Oh, you're going to draw that?
Yeah, I mean, there's no real other simpler way to do it.
Even the, I mean, the text too?
Yeah,
Interesting.
because I'm trying to make it true pixel art.
Okay.
So it makes more sense. Because I could mimic it, but now the way I'm doing it, I can actually use a 1 pixel brush
Mm-hmm.
using the actual resolution of it instead of having like a higher resolution thing and using like a 4 pixel brush. It just doesn't make sense. And in doing so, however, if I use the font, it will create a bunch of weird artifacts.
That's...
Scaling it down that low.
You're right, it will. So this is actually SFX. Alright. So that's Mayday 1. Now I want an explosion sound. That's not bad. I want it to be longer though. And add some vibration.
ever watch Stir of Echoes?
No.
Really cool movie. That and Hollow Man are kind of my favorite Kevin Bacon movies.
Pitch, jump, repeat speed. Repeat speed. It's not too bad. Maybe decay time longer. Let's do a frequency song. That's not bad. More vibration then. More decay. And the delta slide is too high maybe. That's good. Input system. Nice. Is that the new input system, right? That's not the input manager BS.
Input, Jessica, input.
Fiery cheesecake of hell. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Cheesecake is pretty good. And sometimes when people say something's fire.
Yeah, but no one's like, that shit's demonic, yo.
I mean, I'm not surprised. He already gave us that, what was it? Oh, wrong is now good. So, who knows, man?
Oh, yeah, that's true. If his story is kept straight.
So, let's do that, put that in there. Now I gotta go to here, Unity. The beat I'm about to make when your system is over gonna be mad wrong.
You leave my system alone.
Why can't I save? There's like a thing here that says it's not saved. Hitting Control S and it doesn't save. Maybe because I'm not in here. Yeah. Okay, so now I have explosions and I have ship explode 1. Alright, so that's when the player ship explodes, finally. So I have destructible explosion. There's no explosion sound in here? SFX destroy, there it is. Oh, whatever happened to SFX lose shield? Where's that at? Where are all my sound effects going?
The abyss.
Seriously. So this should be powered down.
And then the little monsters.
And this should be
Oh,
ship
yeah,
explode 1. So am I gonna call die? No, die call start crashing. Destroy game object. Do sprite flash, turn off sprite flash. I guess I should have like an explode here as well. That way I could just trigger the explosion animation remotely. So here, so destroy myself, but also if I have a destructible explode. Explode. Got it. Okay. Wait, did I get game over before that actually happened? No, I didn't. Man, Unity. I should try to do a build and see if it actually has bad frame rate. Maybe it is just the editor. Build settings. Let me go in. X86 and 64. I'll just do x86. It's gonna do a thing, isn't it? Oh, yeah. I think I need to like massage my neck or something.
Make it. Wench!
What?
Huh?
Build into. I guess this folder is fine. Oh, did it build? Build? Hold on. Unity's giving me shit here. Couldn't build. Create Visual Studio option, which is incompatible with, oh god, with current build settings. Consider building your project into an empty directory. Okay. Into an empty directory. Okay, so. Builds. build.
Bill.
All right, it built. Now, how do I decide which monitor?
As expected.
This is gonna run on. All right, decided for me. It's pretty good. Runs at a decent frame rate. Let's see how let's see how the task manager reports this thing here. You can see I got quite a few apps running. Where is Super Sky Hero? There it is. 100 megs and almost no processor. 12% of GPU. It's not terrible.
1.21 gigawatts.
Oh, and all the assets came out higher quality too. It's a shame. Oh, what the hell? Alright, it's fine. What does retry even do? It looks pretty good on a full screen. I wish I could run it on the other monitor. I gotta make that an option. I might ask you if you want to redo some of the head sprites, the talking head sprites. Not redo them. Maybe you can. I can give you the sprites and you can touch them up.
Yeah.
They have a bunch of artifacts in them too. All right. No, the game runs like perfectly fine. It's just the Unity editor giving me shit. Shit. Alright, I'll quit this game now. Which, let me see if the application quit works. Yeah, totally. Just took a second. Alright, that was the first build of the game ever. Just to make sure that I wasn't... Let me just get rid of this thing. Maybe this is what it is, the preview packages thing. I don't think so, though. No reference exception. Ah, that ain't good. What's happening here? Now all of a sudden level manager doesn't exist? What? Instance camera doesn't exist. Enter shift complete. Alright, hold on a second. So I want to make sure the camera... Where's game camera? Let me open some game camera. On awake doesn't need the player. Okay. So then... Preference project settings. Script execution order. What? Oh, level manager. There it is. So I'll put that at like -50. And then I'll add game. Okay. Game camera. Put that at like -10. and then player to make sure player runs first. Player like -1. So now the player should have no trouble with the camera. Oh, start. Nope. Okay, good. Should get like an enter the ship sound. Hell yeah. Where's like, I have a power up sound, right? Power up, redeem. There's just not enough sound effects. I need like a glass shattering sound. All kinds of stuff. What's up, dude? I don't like that concerned. What do we got here? That's not that great. Looking for. I'm gonna get rid of that. I don't think it's being used anywhere. Explosion 1. That's being used. That's actually being used. Alright, ship explode. Yes, ship explode. That's not being used. Coin sound? Alright. Big ship damage. I'm using that for a flash sound. If I rename it. I'm not using that at all. Electric wave. Forgot what I used that for. That's when I redeem, and this is when I gain a level. I need something for when I... Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that one. Okay. I don't know. Alright, I need like a... when I land in the ship. First of all, there's like the compartment sound, like right, like buckling the seatbelt. Nope. Nope. Let's work on this. I could, but then it would, like, it wouldn't have the same feel as all the other sound effects.
smarter, not harder. I always forget.
Need higher frequency.
Do you have a constant noise of wind in the background?
I don't.
Take a shot, bro.
I wish you could hear what I'm doing.
I hear like a windiness almost.
Do you?
It's just like I hear.
Could
It
just be
sounds
me
like
breathing.
static. Oh, it sounds like it's coming in just like windy static.
It's kind of close to what I want. It wins sands. Ha ha hardy har. What is going on here? Huh? A lot of Discord action going on. Does this sound like potentially getting into the ship, like closing of the hatch? Man, why can't I... Discord, Discord, Discord. Where the hell are you? Why can't I just share desktop audio? What's the big problem, Discord? Why can't you just do that? Kinda, right? It's a little crunchy. Ugh. I'm gonna use it for now. Call this hatch. Close. I don't have the ending closing sounds. I was wrong. So hatch close. Explosions, hits, menus, player, player, ship. How about that? Alright, so now when I land in the ship, so it's gonna have to have a cockpit enter sound. So where's all my SFX here? Does not has flame sound. Do that. And then I'll do hatch, something like that. I don't know. And then I'll need like another power up kind of a sound when I enter the ship. Alright, it's not doing anything here. So I need like a... What the hell? I don't have any vibration on it. What's doing that? What's causing it to... Is it this? Pitch jump amount? Repeat speed? Alright. I see. Lasts too long. Whew. Okay, so this would be like enter ship. All right, so airship, SFX, enter cockpit would be hatch, enter ship. And then I just gotta code that in there. So player. Oh, I just put this on player actually. Where's all my SFXs? There we go. So that would be hatch, enter ship. Okay. So now in player, enter ship, complete. I will do both things. Oh, SFX hatch, do that. Enter ship. Sound effect play. Enter hatch. I'm gonna play this pretty loud. Probably, and this one pretty normal. If anything, maybe not even that loud at all. So it might play right off the bat. It did. It's not playing the other sound effect though. Oh. Enter ship. Collider size changes when your player rolls and ducks. I think I set it up for ducking, maybe not rolling. But yeah, you can change that using the animator. If you, the animation. The little rocket sound. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Oh. Whoops.
Alright, I remade the font pretty good actually. Happy with that.
Alright, the hatch sound is a little loud. Yeah, that's a pretty sweet outline. Let's see what we got going on there. Did you do the color or just the outline?
Oh, that's the whole thing.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's like
What size is this? I guess it doesn't matter. You can do a
300 by 150. Just scale
oh
it up and make sure that it like preserves hard edges or whatever the preset is.
yeah,
Should be
I guess so. You should do that before, well, I mean, before you continue on that, you should do that on that current piece of art so that the source is like super huge, right?
fine. What?
So that your source artwork is like gigantic. Wouldn't that be better?
No.
No.
What? That was pixel art. That doesn't make sense.
All right,
I
fine.
just explained to that how that works. The problem is you don't want those. There's no point to have those extra pixels, and also it kills the pixel art look. You don't want to have. You
Um,
don't want. You only want just enough pixels as is
Makes
required
sense.
for the grid size that you're using.
Makes
Um,
sense.
and as long as you scale properly, resolution should not be an issue.
I guess you wouldn't want to
Because
scale.
now,
If you scale down, you could lose more pixels.
yeah,
It's probably harder to scale down than it is to scale up. As
yeah,
long as you're scaling
yeah.
up powers of 2, it's pretty easy, at
Well,
least.
from what I understand, it's all dependent on the presets because all the areas where I've had those blur things happen have had another preset where you can make sure that it stays sharp.
Yeah, you can keep
Well,
it sharp for sure. I guess just keeping the same ratio of pixels per pixel that
well, it
exists.
yeah, like it's different if you had like a small picture of the same resolution of like something that was like detailed, so it was like very uh like pixelated, the whole look, right? Like it wasn't like a pixel line across. It was like a bunch of random pixels that kind of converge to form like a kind of shape of a line. You know what I mean? Like the Game Boy camera, like the kinds of pictures it would take.
Uh
If you
huh.
scaled that up, you know, it would look terrible, right? Because it's just
But
it's
that's
so it's too realistic, right? So it's got a lot of like uh filler pixels. I don't know how else to explain it. But if you had like something was just a bunch of sharp lines and colors, however far you scale it, like yeah, you'll notice the pixels, but that's you kind of want that with the pixel outlook. So there's no really any downside to it.
yeah. No, you're right. You are correct.
I've actually had more problems the other way
That's what I was
of
saying.
having it.
Like, if you had pixel art and you made it in a larger resolution when you scale it down, you don't know which pixels you're going to lose.
Yeah. Generally speaking, when you're doing pixel art, you don't want to scale at all. However,
Yeah.
I just got turned on to this other freaking program that is pretty dope. Uh,
If you do it to a power of 2, you can keep the image looking exactly identical. Because
yeah, but
then,
this pixel drawing program was like, man, like you could switch the resolution of your pixel art midway through. It's almost like you're drawing this shape and it's converting it to a pixel art object. So you can on the fly change your output resolution. And it does it the best way because it knows the shape of the thing.
so the player enters the ship at the start. Enter ship. So, hmm. I don't know if there'd be other times, but like that. So on start, pass and false. There. Enter ship.
Pixel mash. That's what it's called.
And then
Okay, check it out. It's actually pretty dope.
I'll check it out in a minute. Why is it still doing it? Oh, because I never passed that. So enter ship should play specs. Alright, yeah. So it was already in the ship. Hey, ship, come back.
Did I come back? He just walked right out that.
Dude, I pressed jump. Yeah, I just didn't press it early enough. I have to
That'd be
increase
cool
the.
if you had to like you have to pop a few shots into the glass to even be able to go through it. Like you have to pop a few shots and you have to jump through it.
I have to add some extra coyote time.
Extra coyote time.
Yeah. So they call that when you, like in video games, when you're running off of a ledge, you give the player like a little bit of extra time to press jump before they actually start falling.
Why the fuck is it called coyote time?
Because of Wile E. Coyote.
Oh, before he falls though.
Yeah. He can run off a ledge. That's just where the term comes
Yeah. I prefer the hover boots.
from. Yeah, hover boots, sure. But it's not a power up or anything. It's just the
No,
game.
I know, but it's the same.
Yeah.
It has as many failings with its logic as Wile E. Coyote.
Yeah.
I am
Okay.
gonna stop here on the logo and I'll get back to some.
I did the Mayday. I added some more sound effects. I can do a couple of other things like warning when the cruiser's coming in. I can do something like that. Warning when a missile's coming. I wanted to do that, but I just. That means that the missile has to have like an event attached to it that creates a warning. That's kind of interesting. I can do that. So let's see. Let's see, where are you, missile? Missile. Right, so this thing's gonna come in and like fly. It'll just go fast. So right now it doesn't go that fast. I think. Okay. So I'm gonna make it go faster. 5, let's do 10. It's not bad, 15. Oh, yeah, that's good, okay. And then what I'm gonna do is add an event. So let's event warning. So let's see, event trigger, message box, load scene, move, set scale, wait time. I don't have anything that instantiates a game object. Background music slow down. Oh, background. Call ship function. Alright, I'm gonna have to make a new one. Doesn't a sprite and pixel edit do the same thing? Probably. I hear a lot of people love a sprite. Why did I add a folder? It's weird. Right. Event trigger. Instantiate object. Instantiate prefab. Instantiate. Good enough. Alright, so this is event trigger, public override, do trigger, start trigger, update and report done. Doesn't have to, just has to do trigger. There we go. And all it has to do is say game object, warning, oh no, object to prefab, that prefab. I guess I can set a position. Position. Yeah. I could set an X position. I can tell the missile. Ideally, I want it to spawn at the same. Because I can set the Y, I just have to tell it the X. Yeah, okay, I can always set the Y on the event. X position. So. If prefab, instantiate prefab. Let's get it to position, X position, and transform the position.y position, and it will dot identity, and that's it. Now I just need that thing. So let's add a warning. Warning 1, 12. Warning 1. And this thing looks like it's going to be a little bigger. I can just make it a sprite, but for now I'll do warning. So, warning. And I'm going to not have it have a background. And it's going to be like yellow or something. Yeah, it's not bad. So that looks like I lost Julio.
Yeah. Well,
oh, never mind. You just ended your stream. I heard like a disconnect sound. Like, oops. Font size 80 or something. I can also offset this flash object. But we'll see. All right, so, and then I want the flashing to be like 1, 1. I'll use Mayday 1, just for the hell of it for now. Oh, that's really fast, actually. 0.3, 0.3. And then go back to the missile. Here's the event. Event trigger instantiate. I will instantiate warning 1 at X position. How big is this camera? That's a good question. Shouldn't this go on the UI somewhere? No, I'm gonna put it. I want to put it at the edge of the camera, but that's kind of dynamic. I guess I'll do something else. Event trigger instantiate into camera. How about that? Camera X, and this won't even be a float. This will be like enum X. This has to be public. Enum cam X positions. So it'll be like 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. Also 0. Is this like legal? Can I not start it with numbers? Let's say left. Left. 1/4. Half. 3/4. Right edge. Left edge. So this is going to be cam X positions, camera X. And then X equals 0. Switch camera X. Default. Break. Do nothing. Alright, so case. Left. Oh, sorry, left. Come on. Left edge. Break. So it should be 5. Okay. Right edge. 3/4. Half. 1/4. Okay. So this is going to be X equals level manager, instance camera, get width. I guess so. Get width. So it'll be like camera. Okay, hold on. Name camera. What's that? So, camera dot real position. There we go. Dot X minus width times 0.5. Okay. So that is the left edge. Left edge. X equals left edge. X equals left edge. Doesn't change. Not sure what that's for. Okay. 1/4. X equals left edge plus camera get width times 0.25. What? What's wrong with this? Oh, get width. Let me get the width. gonna mess around with the input system on this new game. You're really gonna mess around with input system. Half would be x left edge plus width times 0.5. X left edge plus width times. Use my shield. Which shields? Go ahead. Edge plus width. Alright, so this is going to be x. And I have to make it object. Oh. Go to transform dot parent equals camera transform. What makes it get destroyed though? The shield in your shooter. Yeah, go ahead. Let me kill this Discord window then. Okay. What causes this thing to die? That's a good question. I can have this destroy it after X seconds. I can set it to flash some amount of time. Either way, I'm going to have to guess it. So destroy after seconds. 0. And destroy after seconds. Let's go 0 then. Destroy. What's this thing called? Go. Destroy after seconds. Okay. So now I have this thing. It's going to stand. This event warning object that's going to be somewhere up ahead of this thing by, oh, I know how to calculate this. Save failed. Check console window. You're trying to create a prefab, whatever. So let's say you get a 2-second saving. Check the console. Your prefab from the instance event warning that contains the script from the instance event warning that contains the script event trigger which does not derive from mono behavior. This is not allowed. Oh, instantiate into camera. I had to change the name of it. There we go. Okay. So it's going to be on the right edge, which is actually going to be like shifted. Man. Okay, hold on. We'll see. We'll kind of see. Destroy after X seconds. 2 seconds. And I'll just kind of see if that works. Okay. Alright, so I'll put the missile this far out. And let's see, somewhere right here. So 1, 2. So after about, let's see, 3 seconds, I should see the warning pop up. There it is. And it is on the right edge. And this guy stopped doing anything for some reason. Why? Where is he? What is it called? Missile? Why did he stop? Movement right to left. 15. There's no reason to stop. That's weird. Was it right after the event warning thing happened? All it does is instantiate a damn thing. Oh, that's weird. Let me get rid of this. Oh, it's the stupid cruiser. When it comes into the screen, it stops all the ships from entering. Okay. Pretty sure anyway. Yeah. There we go. Alright, re-enable that thing. So now I should get a nice warning. However... Whoa. Alright. The problem now, though... is that it instantiated into the camera, so now it moves up and down, which might not be where the missile's actually going to launch. That's kind of annoying. Alright, so let's not instantiate it into the camera then. Alright. Not to mention that yeah, so I'm just going to recreate most of this script here and create the other one that I had. So let's see here. Event trigger instantiate. Trigger. Now that I have headphones on, I can hear the wind Julio talks about. Really?
I'm not crazy.
Maybe it's like that seashell effect. You know, you just hear the ocean. So this is going to be a float now. Next position. So I don't need this giant switch statement. Or the camera, or the left edge. It's just its position. And let's say that, like that. If I turn the sound back on, I can hear you. The sound on? And it makes sense that you can hear me with the sound on. So let's do event trigger instantiate instead of instantiate. So where the hell is the instantiate? Where's the script? Come on. Build it, damn it. There we go. Alright, so copy that. Copy that over here. And then X position will be pretty much in the same spot. Let me see where the edge of the screen is. Like what position is this? So I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's one.
How about
Oh
10?
my gosh. Okay. Okay.
How about
Oh, God.
10? Right. Then I can remove this thing. And now, you'll see some warning. Right there. And that's where the missile's going to come from too. So the actual Y position of the damn thing is off because of the way the text is. So let's move it up here. Nice. Alright, so it took a little longer than 2 seconds. Or it took 2 seconds, but the blinking just turned off or whatever. So let's move it, let's destroy after like 2.5 seconds. So now you see what I've been doing this whole time, right? Ah, it still took too long. It's like, it's gotta be like 3 seconds then. It's pretty close, 3.5. Although I could just like, you know, move this. So that's a -1, and that should only be 1 second before between these two events, but so let's just see what happens here. Yeah, why did that take so long? Like, if I take a look at that, is it just because of like the frame rate or something? I'm still hitting. Oh, wait. No, I don't know. So that's -1, 2 seconds. It's weird. Let me move it closer. So that means right, so it should. So it should take him like 1, 2 seconds to even. Should enter the screen pretty soon. Okay, so the destroy after time. Yeah, so something was off. So now should be -2, I guess, with 2 seconds. Something was weird about that. Alright, yeah, so even that was. Took too long to disappear, so let's do like -2.5. And then I'll move the missile a little. Oop. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's great. What do you think of this, dude?
Let me see.
I don't know how well you can see it. Let's see here. So this should be -2.5 actually. And then this one, make sure there's no events. Event warning, transform. Okay, so the missile now has sort of a leading warning trigger that I added. And it moves really fast, right? So,
Uh-huh.
so if I play this, see, kind of get that effect here. right?
Well, huh?
So I can add like a few of them, I guess. Put another one here, another one here, here. That could get a little crazy, but each one should indicate exactly where the missile's gonna launch. Oh, fuck. Ah.
That's pretty. That's pretty
Oh.
cool.
Yeah, that's kind of the idea there.
I like it.
All
All
right,
right,
so that's
like it.
a.
That's a really cool element for like a boss battle too.
Oh yeah, having like a boss warning. Yeah, so I had that,
Well,
or something like they have special attacks.
you know, it would be amazing for a boss battle
Why do I have
if you did
two?
some kind of like pathfinding for the missiles, and you can like spawn them anywhere. So there's like a delay, like they get popped out of something, and then they like, turn on, and go find you, like a homing missile kind of thing.
Yeah, that could happen. That could be a thing. You do have a lot of cool shit in your game, SA. Thank you, sir. I'm trying to really bump up the coolness factor. The idea is that it's going to be really fun.
Yeah, not
um,
always.
if it's not, I have failed. Fun is good, yeah. There's a lot of things that I still have on my mind that I'm not sure about. Uh, like whether or not the element of this game, a specific element, is fun. Let's see, crashing ship done. For cruiser boss incoming, warning symbol for rocket missile incoming, done. What was the other thing I did? I added some sound effects and I did the Mayday things. That's pretty much it. Uh, player not in ship getting hit. Ship getting hit. Touch ups, better textual sound effect, difficulty balancing. Homework. I still got to do my homework, man. I haven't done it yet. Oops. All right. That's it for the stream today. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna try to put together like a way to get more info on the project. We're still setting up the website, so like that's gonna come at some point. We're gonna have a whole .com boom for Super Sky Hero. We'll try to set up a way to do beta testing upcoming once it gets a little further along. And we'll have a sign up sheet for that. And I'm just gonna auto sign you up, David. What else? Follow me on Twitter, SuperJustin5000 on like every platform. That's my handle, more or less. And follow Julio, Deadhead Studio.
Stop following me.
Helping out big time.
Yeah, I'm gonna do more art related stuff. Yeah. I don't see what works. See what people like.
Yeah, he doesn't stream very often.
When I do, it's terrible.
Be ready. He would go over there and fuck with you if you did, apparently.
Oh my god! Now I have to stream.
So you can get fucked with?
Yeah. Come at me, bro.
You gotta be careful, man. Julio knows how to get fucked with.
Yeah. Do it so well.
He'll make you think that you're that you're
that
fucking
it
with
was
him.
my
Yeah,
idea.
yeah, exactly.
So then at the end of the day, you'll be like, wait, did I just get fucked with?
Oh boy. Alrighty. Take it easy, guys. Good night, gentlemen. Thank you, sir.